Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Now let's continue with the show. Today we're taking a look at a true American icon with a custom twist. This is the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air from Jada's Pink Slips series. Now right away, you already know Pink Slips brings that modified, aggressive style, and this one does not disappoint. From the paint to the stance, this is not your stock Bel Air, this one's built to stand out. The first thing that hits you is that deep two-tone finish black fading into that rich metallic red. It's clean, it's glossy, and it gives the car a custom show car vibe right off the bat. Then you notice the stance. Sitting low with those wide rear wheels, this thing looks planted and ready to move even just sitting on the turntable. Taking a closer look around the body, Jada really nailed the classic 57 Bel Air styling. You've got those iconic tail fins in the back, clean body lines running down the sides, and that classic Chevy badging both front and rear. But what really sets this one apart is the custom touch. Those deep red rims with low-profile tires give it that modern muscle look, especially with the staggered setup. Smaller up front, wider in the back. Up front, you've got that detailed grille, headlights, and bumper work, all blacked out to match the theme. And that blacked out front end flowing into the red rear just ties everything together perfectly. Around the back, those signature 57 taillights and the clean trunk finish keep that classic feel, but still match the aggressive style of the build. Now this is where things get crazy. Instead of a traditional under-the-hood setup, Jada went full custom with a massive blower setup sticking right out of the hood. You've got that dual intake sitting up top with the supercharger detail underneath, and it gives this Bel Air a straight-up drag car attitude. It's one of those details that instantly grabs your attention and makes this piece stand out in any collection. Looking inside, you've got a clean, simple interior setup with that all-black finish. You can see the bucket-style seating, steering wheel, dashboard gauges, and center console details. It's not overdone. It keeps that stripped-down, performance-focused look, which matches the aggressive exterior perfectly. Moving to the back, popping open that trunk, you've got a clean setup back there. Nothing flashy, just a smooth, molded interior space that keeps the focus on the overall build. And of course, those fins and rear design still steal the show from this angle. Now this is where this Bel Air really comes to life. As it spins, you can see that color shift from black to red hit different angles of the light, and those deep dish wheels just give it that perfect stance. The blower, the paint, the wheels, everything about this build just works together. Overall, this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air from Jada's Pink Slips line is a perfect mix of classic design and modern custom style. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it definitely stands out on the shelf. If you're into classic cars with a custom twist, this is one you're going to want in your collection. So that's all we have for today, folks, but stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing you this 1973 Plymouth Barracuda from Jada's Pink Slips series. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go on and cruise to our other cool videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep diecasting, and God bless.